Now we're going to evaluate some absolute value expressions. So in example number 9, we have 8 minus the absolute value of 2n plus 5, where we know n is equal to negative 7. That means anywhere I see an n, I'm going to put that negative 7. So let's go ahead and substitute that in first. So we have 8 minus the absolute value of 2 times negative 7 plus 5. Now we're going to simplify what's inside the absolute value. So we still have 8 on the outside, minus 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. So we have negative 14 plus 5. Keep on simplifying. If you can do all of this in one step, that's great. I'm going to do it in as many steps as we need. We've got negative 14 plus 5, which means we're getting closer to 0. So we've got the absolute value of negative 9. And now that everything that's inside the absolute value is simplified, we can go ahead and take that absolute value. So we've got 8 minus, and then the absolute value of negative 9 is 9, because it's 9 units away from 0. And now 8 minus 9 is equal to negative 1. Number 10, the absolute value of 4x plus 3 minus 3 if x is equal to negative 2. So let's substitute that negative 2 in for x. So we've got the absolute value of 4 times negative 2 plus 3. And then outside of our absolute value, we have minus 3. Simplifying on the inside, first we will multiply. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And then plus 3, close the absolute value, minus 3. Negative 8 plus 3, we're getting closer to 0, so we're at negative 5. The absolute value of negative 5 minus 3. Well, the absolute value of negative 5 is 5, and we're still subtracting the 3. And when we do that, we get a final answer of 2.